guys, welcome to my show Finance Do It Yourself, and this is your host Atisha talking to you about few benefits of having a financial advisor. Before we get into the concept of a financial advisor, let me throw some light on financial planning. So what is financial planning? Financial planning is the process of defining your financial goals, such as knowing when you will need to use your money and what you will be using it for, and then laying out a plan of action with specific steps you need to take to achieve those goals. To give good advice, a financial planner must gather personal and financial data about you. They use this data to create projections that show when and how you can accomplish your goals. These projections are based on a set of realistic assumptions about inflation, investment returns, and how much can you save and how much you will earn and spend, basically. So with regards to dealing with your cash, attempting to manufacture riches, verifying your future, and to the exclusion of everything else, drawing up a successful arrangement for satisfying your speculation goals. It tends to be well worth procuring a money-related counselor or a financial advisor. So a good financial planner will not make recommendations until they understand your goals and have run a long-term financial plan for you. If you meet with someone who starts talking about a financial product right away, even if they call themselves a financial planner, they are more likely a financial salesperson. A good financial planner, however, will want to gather account statements and data on all aspects of your financial life. Also, always remember before hiring a financial planner to ask him or her for a clear explanation of how they are compensated. Having found the right financial advisor, you can properly relax, safe in the knowledge that an investment professional is taking care of a wide range of challenges and questions that you would have otherwise have to deal with. You have more time for yourself because you don't have to keep tabs on the market so closely. The investment advisor does the job and will contact if there's anything you need to discuss. And if you do have any questions or concerns, you know you can easily contact the financial advisor to get answers in a timely manner. Research. A financial advisor spends much of his or her time on research. When considering your particular investment needs, they will research the best opportunities for you. If they don't already have the answers to any questions you may have immediately to hand, they will establish the right answers. A full-time professional. A financial advisor who is a full-time professional will offer you a wealth of training, knowledge, qualifications, and experience that is difficult or impossible to achieve yourself. It's always good to take the effort to ensure you are as informed as possible for a financial advisor, which is their job. The training starts with a suitable university degree. They will have been through many industry training programs and qualifications. They maintain their competency and currency by keeping up with the latest developments in the markets, investment opportunities, taxation, and law. On top of that, a financial advisor will have years or even decades of experience working with and for other professionals in the world of investment and financial management. A good financial advisor is one that comes recommended by word of mouth. That experience and referral is often hard-won and it can be impossible to place a value on it. Thank you guys for watching Finance DIY. For more such videos, please stay tuned to MyNation.com.